Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. Have you ever looked at your network connection and felt annoyed by generic, confusing names like Network 1, Network 2, or Unidentified Network? When Windows automatically assigns these names, it does more than just look messy. It makes managing your infrastructure, identifying active connections, and troubleshooting network adapters a headache. So in today's video, we'll be covering how to customize and completely rename your network profile name in Windows 11. Before changing the network connection name, I want to tell you how to find out the current name that Windows has assigned to your connection. If you hover your mouse over network icon, in the bottom right corner, a small dialog box will immediately appear, displaying the name of the network you are currently connected to. You can also right-click on the network icon itself and select Network and Internet Settings. This will open the modern Windows 11 settings menu. Click on the Ethernet or Wi-Fi section, depending on your connection type. Here you will see the name of your current network connection clearly displayed at the top of the page. Alternatively, you can find the name of your current network connection by opening Control Panel and navigating to the Network and Sharing Center. Windows will display the exact name of your current connection on the main screen under the Active Network section. To change your current network name, open the Run window and type secpol.msc and click OK. This command instantly opens the Local Security Policy Management console, which gives you access to advanced network configuration settings. Now, select NetworkList Manager Policies. From the left side, on the right side, you'll find a list of all network profiles stored in your Windows system. Select your current network name and double-click it. This opens the Network Properties window. For your specific connection, select the Name option. This will open an empty text field. Type the name you want for your network, click Apply button, and then click OK to save the changes. There is another way to change your current network name, and that is by using the Windows Registry. This method is specifically for Windows 11 Home, because the Local Security Policy tool we just reviewed is not available in it. Open the Run window again, and type Regedit, and if the User Account Control window appears asking for permission, click Yes to open the Registry Editor. Now we need to navigate to a specific folder path, which is the one shown on your screen. I will leave the path in the video description. The path will take you directly to a folder named Profiles. Below that folder, you'll see a list of subfolders with long, seemingly random names of letters and numbers in parentheses. Don't let these complicated names confuse you. Each folder simply represents a network connection that your system has used or is currently using. Click on these folders one by one and look at the right panel. For each folder you select, look at the value named Profile Name in the adjacent data column. You will see the actual network name displayed. Continue clicking on the folders until you find the one that matches your current network name. Once you have located the correct folder, double-click the profile name value. In the right-hand panel, a small Edit String box will pop up. In the Value Data field, simply erase the old network name, type in your new custom name, and click OK button to confirm the change. Now you can close the Registry Editor to ensure that Windows applies these changes to all system services and updates the taskbar and settings menus. Restart your computer. Once your computer finishes restarting, you can check this using the exact same methods we used at the beginning of the video. Simply hover your mouse cursor over the network icon in your taskbar, and you will instantly see your brand new, customized network name displayed. You can also open the Control Panel and head into the Network and Sharing Center to confirm that the new name is successfully updated across the entire system. Changing your network profile name is a quick and effective way to organize your Windows environment, get rid of confusing generic names, and give your network architecture a professional look. If you liked the video, please click the like button to support the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.